Welcome to Tiny Tales channel. The Lion King. In the vast lands of Africa, atop Pride Rock, there was a kingdom. The wise and fair ruler of this kingdom was King Mufasa. Along with his queen, Sarabi, they were lovingly raising their newborn cub, Simba. One morning, all the animals gathered at Pride Rock with great excitement. The wise monkey Rafiki lifted Simba into the air. Sunlight shone down on the little cub, and all the animals bowed to honor the birth of the new prince. But not everyone shared in this joy. Mufasa's brother Scar wanted to take the throne. The birth of little Simba shattered his dreams of becoming king. As Simba grew, he became a curious and brave cub. He loved to visit the forbidden areas with his best friend Nala. One day, Scar convinced him to go to the elephant graveyard. There they encountered hungry hyenas, Shenzi, Banzai, and Ed. Just as they were in danger, King Mufasa arrived, scaring the hyenas away. That night, Mufasa showed his son the stars in the sky and said, "A true king must be both strong and wise. I will always be with you." Scar's treacherous plans did not stop. One day, he took Simba to a valley where a herd of antelope was crossing. Scar sent word to Mufasa, calling him to save Simba. King Mufasa succeeded in saving his son, but he fell into the valley himself. Scar, instead of helping, pushed him down with his claws. As Simba waited in fear beside his father's lifeless body, Scar told him, "Your father's death is your fault. Leave here." The young prince fled in terror and fainted in the desert. Simba was found by two cheerful companions, Timon and Pumbaa. The meerkat Timon and the warthog Pumbaa taught him the philosophy of Hakuna Matata. No worries. Simba forgot his past and began living a carefree life in the forest. Years passed, and Simba grew into a powerful lion. One day, he encountered his old friend Nala. She told him how the Pride Lands had become dry due to Scar's rule, and everyone was suffering from hunger. Simba did not want to face his past, but Rafiki reminded him that his father's spirit still lived within him. Simba returned to Pride Rock to take his rightful place. He confronted Scar and discovered that it was Scar who was responsible for his father's death. The lionesses, angered by Scar's betrayal, rallied behind Simba and attacked him. Scar tried to deceive Simba, but Simba, remembering his father's words, acted as a just king. He pretended to forgive Scar, but when Scar tried to attack him, Simba threw him off the cliff. Scar was punished by the hyenas who had served him for years. Simba climbed to the top of Pride Rock and roared loudly as he took his place on the throne. Rain began to fall, reviving the dry land. Soon after, Simba and Nala's cub was born, and Rafiki lifted him into the air, announcing a new beginning. Don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Tales!